Abusia se maame Akosua Bempoma abekasa na nensama a wabeka na beto abonten ni nna ne se timliga wifofo ka se maame no ene eyo Broni kwa akodi nkomo na nkomo na woni ne kwa akodi no endina ti awatwam no eye koroye a wono asekuma panini no wo hwe se ebetima ba beto ewa abusia nim na alumba wu achi watimi waka woni nina no sabi eto etimi atwa nto omo de omo sele se sane maame no abo modern na ofa sa adwene ne se obehwe na at the end of the day Broni presela ebetima pa maame Akosua Serwaa achew no matima ye koro no timliga wife for se omo hwe ye maame ya ho ofefo ni munyamfo Akosua Bempoma so betima ye sa de na no ana mibusa se so Broni presela obetimi aye na impo so betimi aya maame Akosua Bempoma nso no obetimi abomodен ene Broni akodi sankomo yi abusia fa adwen kire to we yankodi nkire mu no ahaguso youtube ba TV plus so
Celeste is saying TikTok lawyer blasted him.
Oh, yesterday was blasted back and forth.
See, whether Winnie Pakonu
oh, yesterday was
whether there's
you did a good job.
Papa. Winnie Obi ni bibi ye biumnen Pakoni nyasema. Whether good or bad, you don't have to come out now but can be and find Pakonu. Simple as ABC.
And then they are showing mum.
That's what I'm saying. Narcissist behavior, narcissistic behavior. They always wait. What do you share? Ebon say in Kofona, Emmanuel Mubenya and Tokoniano, or Belqua align with all those people.
No, we never do with the bed, you know. I will TikTok lawyer, no so, or mummy, you know. More blasted guy, and I'm on because I
don't think they should meet I don't want to talk about it. Media will see me time on.
I'm not even giving the platform.
Yeah. We'll go on civilized person.
And Konya started and Kawasan Komu stop on or whatever it is. I mean, I didn't see it.
But the platform now, it wasn't. Do you expect your enemy's platform to so messed up?
That guy in our petition guy like special invited him.
But the funny thing is the funny thing is now or you or Kasano or your video and I saw your voice.
Or interview no as live
my question is what is the probability say you're beautiful for no mark for no more interview any ex
I don't know and the voice I don't know. I know that guy and I know his voice. I don't know. Or interview no me say or no jinams to abond them say are you serious? Man you kunini me ex ni me say me very I'm say life
life nankasano like you wouldn't know we all make mistakes. So when the name say Emma no name so be worry na so ne betina no no see
or Jana
Emma herself have shared her story.
Yeah, and then
it's late.
It's exactly.
I don't know him so we can't wait. They're going to say why because I know I share a story.
I want to know on any woman on any that guy we
right.
Let's say on any bow. On
any pain. Now, Monsieur Samba Kama Musa, that guy is now he's not worth it. Or Jimmy Jan, or Jimmy Jan or Jimmy. Some Ukraine or the Bekayo. Why Jimmy?
Nintana maybe say on any woman say such people no. Yeah, at times like you thank God say they didn't leave any mark and I say anything in your life like they will get a chance to come and even talk to you again. Yeah. When it comes to chat a massive way.
Jimmy Crab too much.
Minim microphobia on a Bemman or mammy no question.
They said they have 2 kids.
Chef Bemman to me still Bemman to me one more jaded dad or more by now worry or no soon you'll be for horse still no or dear banatem. Odio banatem odio banatem chenema.
Wow. Ebu I was so divorce the boy.
To make a channel, my sign. Your friend is saying, to me for be papa and your papa, me your papa, or step your papa. Just exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Too.
That and for the son or motio.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, we Jana na show mo.
At the end of the day, Queen is okay. She's doing so well. She's looking more pretty.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Enjoying, eating good.
I know. I enjoy life ni bi wa san wa ba. Because about the amount of fufu ni you know end this up.
Say, sir, and for no. When it comes to divorce, not like wo banana, like ujaya. It's me shoot you pound.
Yeah.
Hey, muja. It's me
Can say we open up Mokasampo Namo money or you're happy because
no,
people are just talking about them.
Not this guy in the crowd.
They get it. They all have the same truth.
Lawyer, why Johnny you?
I know you're a lawyer.
And the law says, and the court says, and that the article 2 and the article 5 and the article 2 verse 5, article 3 and the law says, and the law says.
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't call police for no one, right?
That is the mistake, Queen. Osenka Airport on Queen shouldn't have even allowed them to call.
Yeah.
Or fair no call because of no busa questions.
Also, Queen, you're not for soon, no.
Yeah.
When
I should have even moved from the terminal move starting up. No, my lawyer brown on the street.
I want to ask a question. Get off our airport in a coin.
Yeah.
And the lawyer says, and the law says, and we're Johnny.
I don't think that in California
life.
Oh, sister,
checking, you know, no, yes, video.
Oh, checking on your video.
Yeah.
So, question play on your video. Oh, Nyamia do more esina, but I was swear.
Esina, my daughter's name.
Esina, Nyamia do more. My baby, her friend Esina, she's so good. Oh, Miss William, profitable fruit to Mamma Namichi, Jai Pap Heavy.
Afwan.
Afwan.
Barakuma follow a child for
Afwan, me brother-in-law.
Abele mi kaye na u kabi usua. Kabi.
Me both fruit na some na kame kan de nya. What to be fruitable fruit, sir? Hey, me says in both fruit, dear, what boa of a yammy and no, dear, banana machi.
Which one? The oily one or the other one?
Who said kids were all the best things
both
she
fruit, the oily one, yeah, the one.
Okay, I get it.
The oilless one.
Yeah. Oh, featuring good. You know how to do it.
Moka lady na sorry lawyer no.
And the lawyer says, and the court says,
Say, baby, I make us say, it's legal. Say, baby, baby, na yaka. Na ya money pani hu.
Oh, we are
and it is the case has nothing to do with team legal.
Only the case that gun for
na make no sorry, okay, sorry. And this someone case mo person mo yeni bibia. I was some secretly and what mo be
no, the moment now omo inviting or changing it or changing it the flight date in the Bibia and come back no.
Oh, changing no.
Or changing Bibia nunti.
I heard she was invited by
yeah.
She went
who's there? I don't know who said omo is serious omo penny.
She went there no kodi atamo. She was standing in front of the CID headquarters no did you matter. And I did she went down. So
hold on, I don't understand it.
And I paid she was there 10 a.m. and she ran away. What's it?
Maybe be the day betwa flight to the amano.
Oh, was who again when you was rank when you're away. Ah.
Not a plane in
Where
our
is it?
every
Yeah,
day.
okay.
And the lawyer says, and the lawyer says.
Oh,
The
but say
lawyer says, the lawyer says. I'm
the thing is,
confused.
who they say no,
Right on me, my
honestly,
hero.
they say undi etem no, eti say omo the document no kototo no, anytime I will do a poti bi aye becho, and
I
say
want
who
back
they
Ghana be.
that is it.
I want to be back Ghana be. So now she's gonna be wanted. Yeah, then about two
Yes.
wanted.
Wendy, come up.
I say,
Wendy na banamesi omraso. Abelaba, when I hear the lawyer said, the lawyer said.
oh, the law and the law says, and the law
Say
says.
my issue, no. I think say I no pay you saying Joanna it is I'm out for so I could do Germany. And most of this team legal pages the blue I could do every train you maybe it's your call and I'm saying it's in
Okay,
major.
Wendy.
It's a little not
Asema
book
woke
and
esi na mi enti o. Timlega ya yeden. So bi se obi akra nka law asem enti wasem no.
me say me nim say in Dramu say social media for no some team legal platforms. Ka say oh I could do Germany. I could do Germany. And I make her say, I just never be see me say I'm pack cramp one.
Me
I
dem
just never
enti
be near
fa
team.
one more platform so man
But the
consider.
thing is, don't listen to the first say you want team legal baby. And it doesn't mean every information and cover team
Information is
legal.
true.
Say
Yeah.
or call or team
Information is
legal.
true.
Say
Yeah.
or call to be on Jumana and the selected few no more or more bloggers. But if you don't hear it from those pages now, ignore. Say back from any team legal pages now, they are not selected a na. Just ignore. Omu program keke and they want
And I
people to
make her
come
say,
over
yeah,
there.
sa agenda na yo mo yene cry. And I mean, you must
It's
say.
like you have to also know that some people claim to be team legal, but they are not. But some more you see the entity, whatever Uber, there will be a Obi Obabeka opposite, but Obeka so be
Enra da bi media me te say so o mama ni waba o fi wan kaso
it's
abadweme.
fine. I know that whatever it is, no, ain't me in Kabio. But
Yeah.
any good news, Ebe Babontin for now, need
And
the
the
reason.
law
All we can tell is that
says
she's fine, she's okay. That's it.
and the
No
law
more Queen
says
Emma's case.
wajani o.
Okay, Abelaba. Hold on. Oh, what's it? And the law says no, you're
And
when.
the hey to Temu lawyer no no.
Labia.
Huh?
Olumuno.
Temu lawyer abeta.
Alberta.
And
Olumuno.
oh yeah, the other group, Anna.
Yeah.
Nini na wahira wa ha woni mu no. And the law says Ewura bay amani ode
No,
abetire wa
lady,
ha.
lady B,
Lady Bina,
she's
ukona
too loud.
ukase initially no kwa G4 initially no kwa G4
Information wako ka omo.
And the law says, and the Article 2526 says, and the law says, and the
Okay,
PNDC
sasa,
laws,
today be
and the
another
president
voice
also, and
come.
oh,
Internet or team legal home.
Debbie,
No.
No.
Or your side chick for me. Bonzo
and
your
the
side
law
chick.
says,
She say
Oh,
also a
Nini, you don't know
scientific
her.
president.
No, I don't.
hey, and the law says,
Nini ni nipa ko
Umuna
na say the way omo kan
the
no.
mama porn, and the law says, and the
Alberta,
Article
Onima Alberta.
22520, and it says that,
No,
Alberta Labia, Onima.
no.
oh,
Oh, okay.
hey,
The
and the law
lady
says,
now or claim me say a lawyer now or mu na or kan simple utu say loan po onim foundation po.
you see, Ojina warehouse, I wash wine, or no, or paper, and the law says,
No,
and the
na the
Article 20.
way obeka asem no mpo no wonim law mo mpo a okan ya papa say atem no kan nyina ye nonsense. So
Missy,
nkofo befa which is an indication say nkofo people don't know your laws people should read law wherever you are and just read a corner wo so no it's free accessible online.
It's your
so,
call Ghana na we Johnny free Ghana.
Apparently Emma and somebody say no yes o try take it because all the information you call
on information
aha no ko do no who say e be chichi omo nyina no because omo ko
oh
bi
we
control
that
and
Bema di conference on so ka ho on so dwane
odidi ga for in term na gan for so omo be ye we nti Police for any friend no who say yes serious ne pe no sisan ne ticket.
Odi. Nobody can know.
Because we say information nyina ye be chi omo. Why na edi omunya ifa no. Momo na detain no. Yeah, the thank God he said Emma had the video recordings of nkofo mo wonye nanti no. It's a done deal. Obey Emma be sikeni no buda be billionaire nanti.
They say and the court says and the law article 2020
airport when you know bo su airport for no.
And the article says that 2024 and the law said without the marriage the record one can vital boy. What sit down on Fino? Deal with you.
Roman father case no. To me no am say like wa file lawyers ni way.
Please, they say her name is Alberta Labi. Lavia. Oh, okay.
Lily, I'm sending it to you on the green app, okay?
Okay, all right. Thank you. Peace is also asking. I think me and Peace, we are lost.
And the law says, you guys don't know, and the law says, okay. And the law says, Article 25, 12, 22. And the law says, you know, the marriage certificate. And the law says, you go to here and go here. And the law says, and the
FYP name or need police no or but I said what is the docket number? Where the police in Ifra or yeah the normal docket number.
Or see, you know what? I'm calling IGP and Mr. You see, I don't catch him. I'm gonna call them. And the law said the 2125525 and the article of PNDC 2 and the law says and I'm calling Mr. C don't catch you and I'm calling the IGP and the law said 2525 and what's the docket number and the file number and the law says, hey sister, that news show that grandpa.
Queen and I see almost say it is a right thing procedure near right. Please that no need the police for federal no see procedure in your right.
To Ojani
to witness and uncle Mubo who do witness and any chino or
me say I feel it was who of IGP or friends you do
Seriously, Okogana,
case.
I will call Ghana.
Hey,
and the losses.
Almost a case, no. Almost a list.
Bema can some phone, audience, and for me, Bema
Bell, Uncle B.
Yes, what for Togo.
A judge needed 2 weeks now. Share no papa no. No movie so much decide AI needs and your neighbor call. He said the lawyers never no strong.
Say no someone GND say like right now no they'll get good lawyers.
Yeah,
they didn't believe it. But it's gonna get better with time.
No. Say see what they almost say because judge you see 2 weeks now you're my head but or
so it means she has confirmed that.
But no, so many says legal wife
So she has confirmed that
more educated, more intellectuals won't cross now any year so you fake in your money genuine. And then they control the genuine no defend the right process now. Omunyama no moduko nyina be waste.
Yeah.
But I know so omudi atempa say illiterate.
Oh, I know they yes, the empty barrels makes the most noise.
Because I will call I say don't get I say don't get.
Oh, I show off master.
Oh, but answer that lady no or strong or the connections in NDC are very strong because Olivu with Jerry, President Jerry
No
Newton.
more be a number me Nana Jima wo de wo because me need JJ not me see only number. Please forget it.
No. Like let's be.
Me na me cut and found talk. Me cut yourself forget.
That's when you sound for way
I didn't say number be only
No, seriously. On said like let's face facts.
I know, but why is she running away? If she knows all this.
On said no matter what, no.
Or the bear brand.
So all the my person can't do on him. No,
the person
they show off and all that, but
no, but it's obvious. Me person who said regardless, ne was not to discourage you, but person which say
Please hold on, sir. Alberta Lydia na wokana sewe. Oh, okay.
So ammunition is bravo opponent.
Debbie,
you know how
to
strategize your battle. What I say, but so undermining nipa na obema wa also no wa relax, and that is what I think say at the onset no yeah undermining almost as if say yeni na ya no baba wo internet no, so whilst all along no they were really working underground.
They are evil people.
You understand?
They are evil.
They don't accept so more. They just went and paid their way to paying your way to doesn't make say you are working underground. No,
they are evil because what we are doing, they are doing more than that.
Yeah, how can you pay your staff? Pay your way through staff. Now, because say you baby, paying your way to doesn't make you
freezy.
They are doing more than that. And it is all the cultural panokrana or teocras on the pamuno.
No, say no, please. And then of course is and one who said Lord Musina or Mujanin. Exactly. Because they thought it's all the or no or yes so but Jodu ko biani intro. And as so many who say intro na ode ban. It don't come in and say so baby. You don't know anything. Until you can go to the court doesn't mean so ubedi no crano. No.
So Papa wait to me the Papa wait to me the was the point.
Me tipis as but so all brage only number only
because when you pay the pattern so when you pay for say now what decide we like not some paying for because of Saudi we are not paying for money when you for.
So on say this lady Nashme, right?
Yeah.
Nashme. Any okay, maybe you will call behind the scene because to say you're aware that people are behind the scene. People are recording and everything.
Yeah, you can use code.
Yeah, but the same say like I mean, I bet so this particular Alberta there, like more can Alberta Vera.
Oh no, I'm on pono.
No, more Canadian. Like, not to sell to me president and not say anything, but with the NDC or that, because by virtue of her being with the former president.
And another papa no Anna.
Not really, but on any quote nine. On any at nothing.
And I don't know what and the law says now could you be my
she brags all right, like or John and us or person or also we use some connection be to
we connections in
exactly
presidential and we can use it, but
the person say that is the issue. You see, say many of the team legal wise, and I support my one. We thought to say discussion. Whilst these people were using their ammunitions against us right from the onset, some perimetry,
and now they are running away.
But because I shall say no, like many your friends say of us, support truth. have also connections that ebi anko obi free way anka ebi a bibi say ebi kra obi kra nso so nim eyi your friend is say judge ya wotena asem yi obi ne kwa asori obi some people also know where so nim obi nso nim we say kro bi wa ekro bi to anya sa na kan but then no we did not use it was all along.
So we didn't use our resources, our
because we were going with the right documents.
But we were going with the right intention.
Only documents.
Munya ika na Claudia, unya bibia no record wa ko.
Uko school now usua dey now uko na uko exam. We are very confident. The ones usua dey no dey uko no ko try lecture ni sika. Obewi so na omo kuti aka ewi no na obeba abonto no be brage.
From the beginning, legal wife for the woman so ye no di matena me di watem o me support ye but na ya hu ne say asem wo ya ye nyina ye di ye
that makes them evil. And they are typhoid. They are evil.
Yeah, truth. They are
evil. If you're doing the right thing, why are you running away?
I just look. Me, my prayer. You
can be evil from the beginning, but when the woman say, "Oh, they intro na opesa odi ya." She said, "So obi ehun say intro documentation amudu ko nyina no omo audio no omo fu nyoma ne nyina no it was edited na mudu ko."
Yeah, but that's what I was saying all along. So they didn't play the entire recorded.
Yeah. So at the end of the day, no omo di bi shishem ti at the end of the day no mean try we some more clever na some more intelligent. You are lying your way through stuff. No. Go.
They are running away. Nobody
and they'll keep running. Look.
And the law says, and the court says, and the article, and now you are running away. Still, you know, wait, not court and the law, and no one could do a court. Why are you running away?
That day.
Airport. Mumuni muko say he famuni muko court muni into one immigration ben and stopping it is say at the end of the day that papono or yes nyomani nyawo airport no we are very silly because it ulusu juma for what
you me say my lawyer was saying more reading a petition hey for comment in agua eka paperwork no more call you
say you know any TikTok videos no be any in account. And yet
any comment in it likes obviously odifufu any deals you
but mami no seriously not this all the bear I think they cake so move now and say won't that is not what the judgment is. Because Bakuno and Tron no moody differ public any media house need to publish you see 2000 20 million. It's not there's no documentation.
I have a question for you. Who in you being a guy and a boy and all say your friend is saying where is Lumba's body no?
I Mr. JB.
I don't wear free internet to swana. Sir.
Almost somebody who said I think it's TikTok and I don't know how long it stays.
No, right now, no, for some reason you can't even find it.
Really?
On Bakuno Bonnie page. And I say
When you pack on the page. Oko Borax wa. Borax.
And say you download it now, people will just send it around.
Na amafo so kra de aye video.
Yeah, minimum said temple the video or the sending me. I watched it, right? I listened
but
to it.
if temple,
And then when I tried to play it again, it didn't play.
Say maybe 24 hours. So is that 24 hours, the 24 hours it could disappear.
Okay,
Temple there no or yeah or restrict even comments friends and comments be ban. If we what this how call comment na catch you say the comments are omo
24 hours today will disappear.
So obi ante yinsa yinka efia ho ahwan obi ante na asante ne nka acho
Efia hwan.
We are not interested in those people.
Like say assembly by
no, this platform doesn't entertain people, please.
Oh, one of here.
One of walk on national.
Oh, Kashua, if you are.
Oh, they won't call me.
Oh, no, dear.
I don't know.
And the losses and the causes were done you. I want you. We didn't want time or Prana Manufani who do you want and Yamebua Tuesday is Friday, but John and no idea. So I mean, pretty more, I must start it. And the causes and the law says, and the Jina walk or why, Johnny, that's it.
But as I told you, they said,
Dobeba life, and I was saying, at Dobeba life, and I was saying, and I call near quiet and running away, nobody towered.
Me must start you, me running away, nobody towered.
Ukoni page pen, with algorithm. Mama, nay, Chanica, madam.
Debbie, me running away, nobody towered, or let me running away.
Trouble compono help with algorithm. We would dot page one pono help with algorithm.
Maybe me to for her. And the court says, and the law says, Article 222 and the PNDC law, section 25 of the
Article 2, section 2.
Say, sister, Otimika Sana voice in. I mean, so one of these days she's gonna lose her vocal. I'm telling you, Otimika Sana Fenina.
Maintain it, but for
so hold on, so that means she doesn't breathe.
I'm telling you, like she's fighting with somebody. And hey, the cousin also yeah, and the cousin go fast. On pause like so kasaka kranwa job kakra. No, there doesn't do that. Like warrant to say like recite a poem. No. So
and then Article 3, Section 3B, page 1116.
But now, if you are there, you say, what my space are bemo? Or say, and the court says in the Article 24 PNDC law. Now,
so hold on, does she really know the law or what?
No.
She doesn't even know what she's saying.
She goes online, read the and then she said,
I know dear Johnny.
Two lawyers no more true because they thought it's a onim.
Oh, hold on, we are following the PNDC law 211.
The one no, she told them about Okwaji on baby a bit me Okwaji money divorce certificate in numbers saying and no Jew almost 4,000 3,000 euros and one more and in talk.
Oh, you are joking.
I'm telling you that girl.
The court issue.
People are making money off of this nonsense.
On the court issue, there was no more witness. Or they do time no more corner witness no or pull it out. Now, Sandy Pakona no or kono who saw any information. Bibiani don't know pull it out.
As I'm going for
I think say no you no na ekoye side. So ka say omo woni Broni bia or you Germany or be witness no. It's not me say
€5,000.
Yeah, so the witness was 2.
They don't know what happened from Germany. Omo sikaye.
Baku from Germany. To me say Germany na you no. I feel your friend or sister na kokra.
Omonim ne omodi sikaye.
Yeah, the article says, an article says, oh, Johnny, hey, I bet they from Facebook. One no, I never swear or swear alone, no mystery. Na no ni videos no ya ni nsem kro keka wo mokra na enye
nti no onimu se de okan no do onankasa pom omakata enkanfo ne chino na please for instance chino enkam nti no o sister ne we no dwane
I think say no abo or bibise nsem
okose o the evidence no sis evidence no be den fanko
we dwane wane na we nobody ta hodo. That girl is smart. I told the ticket. I'm going to no kuna hakwarete and kolano the tune and my tune is nearby you to a churches.
Asem women ase inti ono de all corner sources and the flight to so here then the police for no more who so was and the flight.
You say invite you CID. At 10 o'clock and run and no call and walk CID office no do one matem kakraka ho. Ain't I think say who said then I serious no omodi did atom do omu na ko omu record and was yesterday night no your video miss wo di one
he insulted them, but yet they could let him go. I mean, they could let her go.
If you don't have there was no letter at the airport to detain or to arrest.
But why did they do that to Queen?
That is why we said that is where Queen
has a case.
No, because
don't worry about that. It has happened. It is gone. Queen will sue them. Case closed.
So let us dive a little bit into this.
It is wrong
because you see, this is where we are saying the thing is the connection is working here.
No. The person that was stopping Queen is in trouble. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah, but the information
or you call on your force no you holding no. It's that person is in a big trouble. It's no no pen or quiet started no good deal for nature no or then as a main way or no dear or drew on or nibi. And I offer almost means stopping, but in Pacono day by force, no, this stop and no, or the problem no. Because nobody should have stopped or no or no more. But Pacono no, but thank God it says video will be beyond this, only mean denying to no. Case closed.
So why I'm saying you cannot see you.
Yeah,
like me no.
No, she was said by the law no obi no nkyere say wo so koye. That is it. Obi no obeko free. Wo koye na ye defa wo ye be.
No, no one is saying that. No one is saying that what's or no so koye. What we are saying is that with MS case, right? When they put her name there, they were able
to. Her name was not there.
Her name was not there.
Okay, so
like exactly. They took her force.
Exactly. Obi kidnapped by force.
Exactly. And that's exactly what we are saying. Her name wasn't there, but she was detained.
So that's the problem.
And then this other girl, she was called by the what's the name CID, right?
Yeah, she
went and even insulted them, but yet they didn't even put her name down. And
but calling you that doesn't mean they have to put an arrest on you. So
I understand, but they also knew that she's a flight risk, right?
No, but Emma is not a flight risk.
Hold on. Emma has a German passport. So meaning that whatever the situation is, she can fly out of the country, right? So they took her passport. So why is it that when this girl went to the CID, why didn't they take her passport knowing that she can travel anytime?
Nene, you need to get a court this thing before betting me. I just you can't.
But it's Emma when you're caught.
Emma
Jenny kidnap.
They force her. There was no.
I saw be true kidnap. No,
be true by force.
If I'm not by force, or then as he said, the law will deal with that person.
And the airport.
And yes, and the airport. In time, make out just say, "Queen or by yes, Kenisi, and by a billionaire, trillionaire, with a mountain." Sika Queen Benyano, onye we kitwa.
Then the judge Serwaa,
that is why the judge was shocked, but we don't want to go into details what happened. When the right time in Ubana, Yemo will come and explain everything. Even some of the lawyers will come and explain to people. But for now, no, a whole lot of years because in conformity, your man is into Ukana Wunkani, Obi Peki,
okay, it makes
no
sense.
Pekin will be it's the right time.
With Patrol, with all due respect, maybe saying like about Emma's issue, no.
Maybe I am out. I don't want to discuss Emma Bill. You guys can continue, but with me, I'm out.
Oh, say when you're arbitrary.
Okay.
Oh, say
it's fine. Like as I'm not it's not about I was asking say like maybe she's closer to her and like you can be for that day we will understand. Also we won't push further say you who near echo.
I think that's what she's trying to protect,
Yeah, and for some of us,
I think so. You were just reaffirming Sabia or Benin.
Yeah, not she said in America if you are she said something say we don't entertain this thing here in plan, but if your issue wasn't about say you may discuss it. I was trying to see say as she has been quiet doesn't mean say like there is something going on to now you're quiet, but the way she that's me up or not. And the second question wasn't about but I was trying to ask her say maybe she's part of them and I will continue like can or try so best stop it. Then we not yet once na yen bisa question bia but I'm saying the boy funa.
Nana think say maybe a friend is Serwaa the boy for you. Serwaa the yeah opposite chance yeah no way you do
certain things when she exactly. Come out on person Rebecca wants someone but it's okay. I'm sorry to say you felt
no, it's fine. Say me and you are hunting.
It's
fine.
Yeah, don't please don't be upset or take it personal or anything.
I'm okay.
Why?
Okay.
Yeah.
Nana, I'm pushing you, yes, why? That's why I was trying to bring the running away issue, no? Because when say okay, seminar say yeah, he said yeah, one pay. Looks like we are putting more information out there, but anyways, people want to understand. Mema fa ticket no.
Issue the me so fa issue on benom no. Iye we dey
da bi mema fa ticket no de be call Ghana.
If I show we suffer Serwaa, you say regardless you will be from whichever.
Why? Peace.
Regardless.
Peace. Yes, I know you're fine.
Me patron me family Miss.
That lady.
Miss Patricia. No matter
when you just come up, when you just
the fact that someone is able to be heartless, that's not mean you should.
Peace. Me your ticket. Me say me to ticket na ba mo ba ni ba.
Mumu tuno.
Abeliaba mama dey say. Mama kwabuta.
I'll be able to make me talk
Like me person me just say drop when na yen ko.
Please, let me tell you something. And then I papa 3 hours and papa when him the way a sister no what the man bring Bempoma be see ho every audio mama me
Why are some of them okay?
kwabota kwabota onum kwabota
Enti we yi mu na we yi.
Debbie, kwabota, bibi kwabota.
Mrs. K, Evangelist, welcome.
Ain't you
Oh, yeah,
kwabota di atem
yes,
wiye
that's true.
then nyame nim ne awoye wonim nkrofo din a watwerɛtwerɛ ko hye ntoa mu a wɔde wo mo kosi ne papa mfa mo nkɔ aduro
Hold on, kwabota bi wɔ New Jersey.
I know, say she's done a lot. Like,
do you know, said sometimes TikTok lawyer, maybe TikTok lawyer. What my papa could talk or crown or the pin. I will Brian. I won't watch church on. But synchro for you, my that lady is wicked. Oh, yeah, evil.
Vital, who is kwabota?
Frida free.
Oh,
Frida na mo friend is a.
Evangelist Kwabota.
But tomorrow you're welcome, Nana Joe. Evangelist,
Mrs. K. Yeah.
Nana Joba and Kasayo.
Oh, my castle. This is what I said. We see.
My name
with Momo number. Oh, yeah, be calling
okay.
Nipa obeyi dwane omunya
I don't never pay one question eh. I'll come up with a bill shenim.
So, Miss, I like a mama.
This is me. I can once a year. Peace me. I can once a more.
Oh, yeah, we are not saying anything bad. At least some of the veil katan in Niboefe. Your friend is saying,
no, you're right. I was your pay.
Really? So,
wait, there was a penny for you.
Well, should I need good relationship?
Oh, I should I need good.
I know the more and cannot, and you'll be as I will be as
but I can, as you know.
Yes, I'm not can know any point.
When him the way your sister needs to that dear woman, the yen happen so I do baby I am a real crowd. Me see, I don't know 3 days ago. One call you. Or and also we and a girl we see a friend empress or coffee fruit and your friends as if fruit so I didn't what this one or pepe no obiso cause I wear
Empress Tawali, you know.
I who bad dear pepe na lady business and a year no miss ultimate oh not the some of our real yesterday.
You see, your friend is say, Priscilla and call for you now. Mobi well say the veil catom when him. Where friend is say full bright.
Is Logon near Frey a bush a pay man and baho.
Yeah, a friend is saying bright hawks.
And then you will evangelist.
Wow.
Yeah,
Salaga, open back.
I saw a friend for your man to me that say. Was he the evangelist?
On a friend,
Hey, we don't feed every year, Kwabota. Coco brother. Coco brother.
I don't say when I go on by all.
If I
Evangelist.
This is what evangelist. When you must lady no
Moment Tapio, the people down. Oh, your friend is saying, Serwaa, with and the people down, can you please tap for us? Thank you.
Oh, Nana,
You busy go we see achieve more na. We see yende ayerio.
Yeah, right. We got Kodaka can't wait me up pick you. Why?
Oh, Nanesia, thank you so much for coming.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, have a wonderful
nice meeting you guys. Okay.
Come again.
I best say idea kwasa idea kobo 2, kobo 1, sorry.
Yeah.
Me pacho ticket yeah jeans body o miss your would you ready? Oh, we see for kaya ato.
Mrs. K.
Obete.
Yes, now when you. Hello, Miss K. It's been a long time. How are you?
Who is dear? We can't come out. I just get two.
I know.
Peace, we are for mommy, Anna. Peace, we are for mommy.
Oh, like me as of mommy.
Let me be a prophetess.
I'm a mommy.
Asama omo kai someone kind of bonnet. Yeah, find a way beboa.
No, other my give up because the way it's going and share menya something. I will look as I know Kasami who be into them give up.
Stop it. Stop it. Particularly I will be as no one on the crampoa. Eja. Also sending contribution there because in your mom organ I'm represent you we and see so
when I'm top plane ticket when I'm top plane ticket
okay
na makobom pa yo mo ya chichiro o ma sheto ani muni na mekoyi mu na makoba
Can I just on a serious note, guys, the last 2 days I just want to bring it back kakra. Minim say salangate ewa asie ho a minim do ba betwero ba mfi no. Listen, what has transpired in the last few months, weeks, days, no? Se nipa yeti ho ni e kase ye mfa de ekoso into ye ho fo a na ya na ye.
True.
I reflected so much and tried to look at things from a bird's eye point of view and going, say, this is not a movie. And yet, storybook bia true. And Frida's situation na eba no. Like it should tell us say something is real in this life. Just do good.
Exactly. I'm telling you.
The good that you know how no. Anna
oh Miss K, there be a no break you no when I'm me.
Oh, definition of good no. Enemy definition of good no. Are you very different? And it all utiwiasimwa. Sa conscience na ewo with one even if kasa osombosom cramp na bibi pusu say the way no enye jai no etimi emma wo sa nso wo hwa na say that type of weight be abesiu shouldn't I demi and you try and weigh where your actions no make that work. I say whether say a weaker, like try and exercise it so that it can stay strong. Because I cannot believe say what we are seeing and unfolding on this media no a reality. Sometimes maybe a movie Rebecca say exaggerated, but it is real. And they say be a vital ya madam fo. Me ne vital koba. But vital 2 cities ne kutana no. And no na me pe. Me 5 cities are met me akwa akwenyo. Start 2 cities no and no na me pe. And I think so that is the start of and the root of all of this whole nonsense that is going on. And me bre. And the Ayana sometimes you get flicking and say, oh, nipa tuntum de sa ne Ghana need de sa Ghana for de sa I didn't say basa. Da beni ebetimi aka say
wait a minute. There may actually mean and yet I shouldn't do it. Me might take it so much from the Akosua. And the characters involved and those emerging and those that have left in Inano be free. And I'm like, wait a freaking minute. What the heck is going on? To the point, say, a draw swa, a so common and so easily accessible. Like you kind of tra me ko a draw so akukumobi. You couldn't pay easy, sir. I cannot believe it. And I was thinking to myself, say, if your crew believes in enro, say a draw bit to me kumobi. Jiabobi Timiku will be, it made will be a picture, a D, and the Bussian folk baby kukuna. Then the Ghana Constitution somehow no as a copy conforming the D1 why got na parliament nibi. Now you think it's laws no because ultimately kokaso kobo be jia now you get away with it because there's no law that governs and that will protect that person. What the heck is going on? I said that Akosua to say I found a try kind of trasano. We could be. Oh, because there's beef going on. It's me kwako kuni pakrono, ako kuni busia fono, I send you pakrono life, ako friend pakrono ni, and we have become so desensitized by it that it is normal. Hey!
Papacho monta ipoka kramaye why?
Mrs. K. Yes. Oh, I said my walk, one says some of us no. We all have baby Yakuma Swadi. It was so old. And for this woman, I sympathize with this woman. But in the long run, I don't think say whatever yes sister no so kitwano will go through no ebe then akayenyi de ka akayenyi na so ya adwene se wanka ombre ne ho se mame. One thing we should also do also say yes, whosoever killed by the sword shall also die by the sword. And so now can I be a trial?
Lopez also me patches no me patch on my minute. I will Lopez also send it at me.
Mayana, you see me pushing baby answer. As a best spy na me.
Uko baby a vital dini wana.
Okay.
Na yellow hat ne wohono. Akosua.
Oh, okay. All right.
So tonight, yeah, kana ye hone trasa no. Yes, you fashion baby. For example, we are baby ube didi obi atem. At least obi to make asem you be but atem didi be cause with two party for one person to say he personal. Hey, move you rejoicing over someone's downfall. Debbie.
But you pronounce it in a sense. When I said well, those who have started this earlier on, before, not me. I guess me can't be my Priscilla, but I empathized with her situation when I found out when I found out say Papa no Efano at that age. But you know what? Upon reflection, no, and me and American, it's so good for you to always do self-reflection. It will be BBM because it helps you in determining how you move forward with your own life. Me reflect on a few things now. I thought say
I made a post on my Facebook and I even labeled the man as a pedo. Trust me.
Well, Mamika and from this point of view. What Priscilla is doing now is where the damage is. Because if Vanessa, you have me, I feel like say what is being unsaid, quote unquote, just because say on by microphone who ends our lives and Kasai doesn't mean say she's not saying a lot. She is saying a whole lot. It is what you are doing with the current truth is what I have a problem with Priscilla about. Funny say, oh dear, now we name say, Mammy Akosua Serwaa, ewo hokra. Funny say, now we dear, Lumba la Edin Trochrewa till the day he died. Oh, the funny sample. But the evidence that is coming out, no, yeah, grandpa, ya wa bonte, no, ye busa questions. So that should also allow you to also ask yourself the same question. Say, wait, the evidence that is coming out, no, it's overpowering me story na me pesa me kano. Because no jokes, o story na kebe do, akebe okay kakro, akebe sympathizers oh. But what you are doing after the math, no, and then the air aha dream. Because how is it say you know
from the beginning no up to now that's why she's going after people to shut them up.
Maybe you understand? For the say she's the innocent widow. Or the for the say on there she's done no wrong. Everything she's taking a great step. Fanisa. But what I'm asking Priscilla is say, what the actions you are taking today?
Kindly refer her with alias or Prega or Dobonsam. Kindly do that.
No, just what's Unyo. Papa.
Wait, now I'm a friend of Prega Pa, but I just consciously started changing my word because
let's stick to that.
Say me person be joke here mayor, but me person delivery na me person me hitting no. Me hope says e be cramp power. Fan so be a record cramp na you cramp na. Ma no flicking a kakra and tickle na sum kakra. I know some she doesn't give it. Call her by her name. Simple.
What shall I say?
What you are doing with the evidence today, no, determines the type of person that you are, the conscience that you carry, the actions, no, it will prove it to us. Because the evidence is overwhelming. Except it say there is a woman called Mami Akosua Serwaa Fosu who was and is still married to Daddy Lumba. And to the ultimate mekase Ubabe take that lead role as the only wife and I say as another wife because it cannot be possible. Because it cannot be possible. You into the society, Priscilla, I cannot sympathize with you because you are no longer the 14-year-old that the Lumba or no you are a grown adult who now can ascertain right from wrong and be able to assess the information and the evidence that is coming to you. Say, Papa na waril, accept that, and that is okay. Whatever is due to you, no, is due to you. And whatever mistakes be along the way, no, you need to wear your big girl pants and face the consequences. Because that is life. Say, you better cover up. Because the man cannot, Mr. Bishop,
they are not together. Oh, if they are not together, I don't know if you are referring to me.
Or dropping me, or the mother phone.
Preach on.
Because what we are seeing now on the media, no, going on in people's lives, no, the echo costo, what we see, what we don't see, what we hear, what we don't hear, no. And can say we need power what a pursue now set it up. Who the bonia, my bonena can wake you up next dream. Say exactly. Because how can you continue to cover evil with evil and think that it's okay? And that is the problem. Me timin kase me kwa kukunwe me pese me say nipa we na ye chimi amesade and trust her the katasu and I will continue on. How does that even make sense? Salaga wo uti asi hono meshuo wo mebuo owe if I say wakobi mebuo maybe I know tease me but
freedom that's your
well, it's again, it's not me. at the beginning, no, although sir, I've always gone for Mami Akosua Serwaa, no, I sympathize with Priscilla, but now no, sympathy no has thinned out. I can no longer sympathize with you when you know the truth and when you continue to do your actions no proof say you don't give two craps. The person we are na we here and no only as open so brema I mean super so dragging a no evident by zero and that cannot happen. Look at the stuff that is going on. Me tebia me busa me ho say deɛ ɛkɔ so nyinaa no ɛnyɛ ko nyankopɔn wɔ ne kwan so a ɔhyehyɛ ne nneɛma na sɛ woyaa na woka sɛ de bia no wode bɔne ɛbɛtua nipa kaa o be prepared for the wrath of God ɛhɔ no na no matter where you go because ɛyɛ dɛn na abena papa bi kotwa ayi free papa de ne ba media na san ya no ne baby no you okay asesi ano out of nowhere you call that sorry ya papa yewu
da bi papa na wo hwe wo de ma de a wo ye adana wo be adana papa ni wu ye no e no kofa ma Bempoma and okofa ni be so no the audios sa girl no man audios no bebo audios not necessarily wo audios na na ne papa wo wu ayi oda wa ye nya sika kan pe ja no fa no enko mortuary now oda ho so he was at home for almost like maybe 8 hours. They couldn't even get 1,000 Ghana. You know,
See, in Kakra, you see, say, in this situation, I think some case over Kaya chosen platforms. Now I can say we say the heart of man is being revealed to us by this asama esino. Yehuno nipa akuma. So you see somebody like her heart is so cold, even to her own family. How much more Mami Serwaa? So now when you are able to see people in such nakedness, then it's like, okay, what the baby anywhere is so surprising. And truthfully, as some way see, you know, Emma I say revealing the heart of and they do not care what outcome